Who doesn't love smooth, age-defying skin? The secret to it might just be this one skincare ingredient that's been catching on in the skincare industry for some time now, collagen. So we're here to tell you what it does and how to make the most of it for amazing skin. Collagen is a type of protein that's found in our bodies and actually makes up a huge part of it. It's found in our bones, blood vessels, muscles, and the part that we're most interested in, skin. The name comes from the Greek word kolla, which actually means glue, and this helps to remember what exactly collagen does because it's basically a glue that holds your muscles, ligaments, and skin together. Collagen is found in the second layer of your skin just under the surface and plays a huge part in those pesky wrinkles and fine lines. Having enough collagen means that your skin will look smooth, firm, and youthful too. We don't want to scare you, but the amount of collagen in your skin starts to reduce by your mid-20s, which is why we suggest that this is the perfect age to start investing in anti-aging products. Ultimately, the older you get, the less collagen your body makes, and what it does make isn't as high of a quality as it used to be when you were younger. Along with age, there are a couple of other things that can kill off our collagen sooner than we'd like. Too much sun exposure is one of them, so as always, slather on the SPF and try to limit your time in direct sun exposure as much as possible. Another big no-no is smoking. We already know that there are millions of reasons that it's terrible for you, but another one is that it reduces collagen production. And then our biggest cravings, sugars and carbs, reduce collagen too. So as enjoyable as it is to binge on treats every once in a while, you should keep the indulgence to a minimum. Collagen in a purer form is mostly found in animal bones and soups made from those bones. But since our Indian culture has a pretty high vegetarian diet, this doesn't always work for us. So instead, here are a few things that will help your collagen production in your body so that even if you can't consume it, you can make sure that your body is making it right. Vitamin C helps and can be found in citrus fruits and tomatoes. Proline is found in egg whites and dairy. Copper is in sesame seeds, almonds, chocolate, and lentils. And vitamin A from spinach, carrots, and mangoes. Gelatin is also a form of collagen, so you can add it into your desserts, shakes, and smoothies. The best way to supplement the collagen in your body is with edible options like collagen powders. These can be dissolved into smoothies and shakes and other foods without making it too clumpy, but it might change the texture slightly and can also leave you with a bad aftertaste. You can also take collagen pills to help boost the production. A big downside could be that because collagen supplements like collagen are found mostly from non-vegetarian sources, there aren't really any vegetarian or vegan collagen supplements on the market, and this is something to keep in mind. Like we said earlier, the best way to boost your collagen production is with edible supplements. There are also collagen-based skincare products on the market like creams, serums, and face masks. Although we love our skincare products and these sound like a dream, we do have some bad news. Unfortunately, collagen is a very large particle that's not easily absorbed into your skin. So while the products might make your skin feel soft and smooth for a little while, they're probably not really going to help with your collagen levels and not going to make much of a difference in the long run. But just like with foods, instead of using collagen-rich products, you can use products that will help boost your natural collagen production like retinoids and vitamin C-based skincare. Collagen is pretty safe as a supplement, even for women who are pregnant, unless you have any allergies that might crop up. But to be safe, it's always better to speak with a doctor before starting any kind of supplement, especially if you have any kind of underlying health issues. So we hope we've decoded exactly what collagen is and how to make the most of it for amazing skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.